Hello, subscribers. I'm Thomas, the Tank Engine, and I will today be showing you an ordinance to the channel getting 50 subscribers. I will show you how to cook some food. Now, you may be asking, but wouldn't it be better if you did something more high effort than cooking food? Well, to that I say to you, no. No. Now, the other question is, what kind of food are you going to make, you greedy dirtbag? Well, that's up to Booty Horse.
Well, I don't want to be invited. I'm tired of being in all these videos.
Shut up!
What? Okay. That food. Let's cook food.
Well, it looks like I'm gonna have to decide. Oh well. I wanted to see what Booty Horse wanted. Velveeta. Shells and cheese.
But, Thomas, you do know I already cooked that in a video before, right?
Wait, what?
I did. You don't understand. What? See, look.
What? You freaking stole my ID even though I didn't have it yet!
Well, Thomas, it's okay. I'm just a better person.
No, well, as the Velveeta has already been made on this channel, I will instead be making a delicious grilled cheese sandwich featuring bread, cheese, and butter. That's for the bread. I will be teaching you how to be making this. The first step is to get everything out of the way so you can turn on the pan. Now you may be asking, Thomas, are you allowed to do this by yourself? The answer is get out of my life. So your first step today will be get 2 pieces of, well, after heating up, starting to heat up the pan, get 2 pieces of bread.
But those are my rations, Thomas. Why do you have to take them?
As I said, you need 2 pieces of bread. And you also need some butter. I don't really care what type of butter you use, but I'm using some overhyped Irish crap. Voila, the bread has been buttered. Now make sure to always heat up your butter first because it's going to not stick if it's cold. So as we are waiting for the pan to heat up, let us listen to some tunes.
Oh, you added bread to my butter? Thanks, Thomas.
Sorry for that technical difficulty. I don't know why this keeps happening. Now, as your pan is heating up and while your bread is finishing being buttered, you gotta prepare all the essential tools in order to cook this, like a spatula. And a spatula. That's really it. If you need anything else, you're probably stupid. The pan has finished heating up. Now, you are going to have to... Putting everything onto the pan will take 3 separate steps. Putting the first loaf on. Putting the cheese, like that. And then putting the second one on top. Now your grilled cheese is cooking. You'll have to check in certain intervals on what will need to happen next. Now, you can make the sandwich into any color you want. Whether it be gold, brownish, brown, or burnt, if you're a heathen. Now, you'll have to wait until your cheese is properly melted before taking it off. So you'll probably get burnt regardless. While this is still cooking, I would like to say that it's still cooking. Take skill to cook this masterpiece, everybody. I'm probably gonna be a professional cook someday. Just ask Georgie. Now, when it's starting to brown, like this, it's probably going to be good. Cheese is getting all nice and toasty inside. It's going to be all hot and creamy. Like ice cream, but hot. Like ketchup, but hot. Like cheese inside of grilled cheese. It has finished, my comrades. Look at it in all its beauty. Now, is this really a grilled cheese worth dying for? I don't know. Let's ask Booty Horse.
Why do I keep getting dragged into this?
You're our taste tester, right? Like, you're the guy who has to check if it's poison or not.
Oh. Alright, well, here I go. Nom. Oh, wait, what's inside this, Thomas?
Cheese. What do you think?
You do know I'm lactose intolerant, right?
Wait, what? Who in the world is lactose intolerant?
Well, lots of people, Thomas. You're just in the minority of the world.
Oh.
Well, adios, guys.
Okay, this is actually freaking good, y'all. Just look at this. So good.
Oh, that's so good. Oh, I didn't know I would mess up this good.
Oh, so good. Hey, I'm not going to show the cleaning parts to you. Because that's boring crap. Nobody likes it. So I'm just gonna bid you adieu and ask for you to subscribe to us. If you did. And Merry Christmas. Later. Ugh, gotta freaking put this crap up. No, it's not even worth it for a video.
Hey, Thomas. What?
Oh, I thought you were dead.
No, actually, I'm not really lactose intolerant. Well, I am, but the people at the hospital said it gives me superpowers.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, look, I'm gonna fly.
What the f-